Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this block. Chapter 1 Dirghan Jivadiya Adhyaya Longavati Part 2. 6 Basic Principles of Knowledge. Rishayascha Bharadwaja Jagruhustam Prajahidam Dirghamayu Shikirshanto Vedam Vardhanamayushaha Maharshayaste Dadrishyuhu Yadhavatjnana Chakshusha. Sages, desirous of long life, also received the benevolent Veda of enhancing life from Bharadwaja. सामान्यं च विशेषं च गुणान् द्रव्याणि कर्म च समवायं च तत् ज्ञात्वा तन्त्रोक्तं विधिमास्तिदाः लेभिरे परमं शर्म जीवितं च अभि अनित्वरम्. The great sages further grasp properly the knowledge of Samanya, similarity, Vishesha, dissimilarity, Guna, property, Dravya, substance, Karma, action, Samavaya, inherence, by which they follow the tenets of Compendium and attain highest well-being and non-perishable lifespan. So, Shat Padharthas are Samanyam, Vishesham, Guna, Dravya, Karma, Samavaya. 6 disciples of Punarvasu Atreya. Adha Maitri Paraha, Punyam Ayurvedam, Punarvasuhu Shishebhyo, Dattavan, Shadbhyaha, Sarvabhuda Anukambaya. Now Punarvasu, Lord Atreya, friend of humanity out of his benevolence, bestowed the virtuous Ayurveda upon his 6 disciples. Agniveshishya Bhelascha, Jadukarnaha Parasharaha, Haridaha Ksharapadishcha, Jagru, Husta, Tanu, Munir, Vajaha. The disciple Agnivesha Bhela Chadurkarna, Parashara Haridan Ksharapani, received the word of instruction from sage Punarvasu. So, the 6 disciples of Punarvasu Atreya are Agnivesha Bhela, Jadukarna Parashara, Harida and Ksharapani. Inception of Agnivesha Tantra. Buddhehe Visheshaha Tatra Asina Upadeshandara Munehe Tantrasya Karta Pradhamam Agnivesho Yadho Abhavat. It was only the extraordinary merit and not the instruction of the sage that made Agnivesha the author of the first compendium. Adha Bheladayaha Chakruho Swam Swam Tantram Kridhani Cha. Subsequently, Bhela etc. also authored their own compendium, and all of them, the intelligent one, presented their work before Atreya. Sravaya Masuratreyam Sarshi Sangam Sumedasaha Srutva Sutranam Arthanam Rishayaha Punyakarmana. The sages, on hearing the composition of various branches of Ayurveda, were extremely pleased and approved it unanimously as a well-composed body of work. Yadavat Sutridam Idi Prahrishtaha Te Anu Menire Sarva Evaha Tuvastascha Sarva Bodha Hideshaniha. All praise the sages, the benefactors of all creatures, for their compassion towards fellow beings. Sadhu, Bhudeshu Anukrosha, Idi Uchaihi Abruvan Sama, Tam Punyam Susruvoho, Shabdam Divi, Deva Rishayaha Stithaha, Samaraha, Paramarishinam Srutva, Mumidire Param, Aho, Sadvidi, Nirgosho, Logaha, Tri, Anvaha, Adayet. These emphatic wise words of the sages were heard by the deities and gods in heaven, who became extremely pleased. Their collective appreciation in the form of a unanimous well done resonated throughout the 3 worlds. Nabasi Snigdha Gambhiro Harshat Bodhehi Udhiradaha Shiva Vayuhu Vau Evau Sarva Bhabihi Unnilidha Dishaha Nibeduhu Sajalaszchaiva Divyaha Kusuma Vrishtayaha Ada Agnivesha Pramugan Vivishu Jnana Devadaha Buddhihi Siddhihi Smriti Meda Dhritihi Kirtihi Shama Dhaya Tani Cha Anumathani Yesham Tandrani Parama Rishibihi Vabhavayam Buddha Santhanam Pradishtam Bhuvi Lebhire. Pleasant winds began to blow. There was luster all around, and there were divine showers of buddhi, intellect, siddhi, success, smriti, memory, meda, grasping power of intellect to learn science, thridi, restraint, kirti, fame, kshama, forbearance, and daya, kindness on those sages, Agnivesha, etc. Thus, compendiums approved by the great sages were established on strong footing for the welfare of the living. अष्ट ज्ञान देवता बुद्धि सिद्धि स्मृति मेधा धृति कीर्ति क्षमा दया. Definition and scope of Ayurveda. Hida hidam sukham dukkam ayustasya hida hidam. Manam cha tacha yatraktam Ayurveda sa uchyate. Ayurveda is that which deal with hida, good, ahita, bad, sukha, blissful, dukkha, sorrowful life. And ayustasya hida hidam, with what is wholesome and unwholesome for it, longevity, and about what ayu is itself. Definition of Ayu, life and its synonym. Sharira Indriya Sattva Atma Samyogadhari Jeevidam. Nityagasya Anubandasya Paryayaihi Ayuhu Uchyade. Ayu, life implies Samyoga or conjunction of Sharira, physical body, Indriya senses, Sattva mind and Atma soul. Is known by the synonym Dhari, that which preserves vitality, Jeevida which is life, Nityaga which is in continuum, and Anubandha which is interdependent. So Ayu is Sharira, Indriya, Sattva, Atma, Samyoga and synonyms are Dhari, Jeevidam, Nityagam, Anubandham. Superiority of Ayurveda over other Veda. Tasya Ayushaha Punyathamo Vedo Vedamitam Madaha. Vakshide Yan Manishyanam Lokayoho Ubayohitam. Vedic scholars regard Ayurveda as the most exalted of Veda and that which is said to be good for both the worlds for the human being, the present and after life. Principle of Samanya similarity and Vishesha dissimilarity. Sarvada Sarva Bhavanam. Samanya Vriddhi Karanam. Hrasa Hedu Visheshasya. Pravritti Rubhayasya tu. Principle Samanya causes Vriddhi Karanam increase and principle Vishesha causes Hrasa Hedu decrease of all the existing elements at all time. Both these effects are produced by their application in body. Pravritti Ubhayasya. सामान्यम एकत्वकरम विशेषस्तु पृथक्त्वकृत तुल्यार्थदा हि सामान्यम विशेषस्तु विपर्यय सामान्य enable ekatwakaram to understand similarity and vishesha pृथक्त्वकृत enable to understand distinction. Again similarity propose tulyarthada similar purpose while dissimilarity has opposite one viparyaya. So सामान्य वृद्धि कारणम एकत्वकरम तुल्यार्थदा विशेष ह्रास हेतु पृथक्त्वकृत विपर्यय. The tripods of living world and subject of Ayurveda. Sattva, Atma, Shariram cha Trayameda Tridhandavat. Sattva mind, Atma soul and Sharira body. These three are like a tripod or Tridhanda. Lokaha Tishtadi Samyoga Tatra Sarvam Pradishtidam. By their conjunction, Samyoga, existence of the living world is sustained. It is a substratum for everything which presently exists. So Tridhandasa, Sattva, Atma, Sharira. Sapumam Shedhanam, Tacha, Tacha Adhikaranam Smritam. This conjugation is termed as Purisha and Chedhana. It is the Adhikarana for Ayurveda. Vedasya Asya Tadhartam Hi Vedo Ayam Samprakashitaha. Knowledge of Ayurveda is promulgated for the sake of this conjugation only. Dravya, Guna, Karma. Sentient and insentient Dravya, elements. Khadini Atma Manaha Kalo Dishishya Drivya Sangraham. So Pancha Mahabhuta, that is Agasha Vayu Teja Prithvi, Atma soul, Mana mind, Kala time and Dik are collectively called Dravya. Sa Indriyam Chedanam Dravyam, Nirindriyam Achedanam. Dravya when supplemented with sense organs, Sendriyam, forms the sentient being, Chedanam Dravyam. While without them, Nirindriyam would be insentient, Achedanam. So Dravya Nayan Ghadini, that is Pancha Mahabhuta, Atma Mana Kala Dik Sangraham. Guna, basic property or quality. Sartha Gurvadayo, Buddhihi Prayatnandaha, Paradayaha Gunaha Prapta. Sense object, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha, property beginning with Guru, Buddhi, and ending with Prayatna, and property beginning with Para are called as Guna. Guna 41, Sartha, sense object 5, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha, Gurvadi Guna 20, Guru Lagu, Shida Ushna, Snigdha Ruksha Manda Tikshna, Sthirasara Mrudu Khadina, Vishada Pichila, Slekshana Ghara, Stula Sukshma Sandra Drava. Buddhi Prayatnanda 6, Buddhi Icha Dvesha Sukha Dukkha Prayatna. Paradaya 10, Parabharatva Yukti, Sangya Samyoga Vibhaga, Pradatva Parimana, Samskara and Abhyasa. Karma, actions. Prayatnadi karma cheshtidam uchyate. Movement initiated by prayatna is called karma. So the 5 karmas are Udkshepana, Avakshepana, Prasarana, Akunchana, Gamana. Inseparable concomitants of element and property. Samavaya. Samavaya apradak bhavo. Bhumyadhinam gunaihi madaha. Sanityo yatra hi dravyam. Na tatra aniyadho gunaha. Samavaya is apradak bhavo. Bhumyadhinam gunaihi madaha. Inseparable relation of dravya with their guna. Sanityo. It is eternal because yatra hi dravyam na tatra aniyadho gunaha. Whenever a dravya exists, it is not devoid of guna. Definition of Dravya. Yatrasridaha karma gunaha karana samavayat tadravya. Dravyasya srasrida karma guna. Substratum for karma and guna. Asraya. Karanam samavai, which is the intrinsic or material cause of effect. Samavai karana. Definition of guna. Samavai to nischeshtaha karanam guna. Guna is related with samavai. Nischeshta devoid of action. Karana. That is a non-inherent cause of effect or asamavai. Karma, action. Samyoge cha vibhage cha karanam dravyamāsridam kartavyasya kriya karmam karmana anyat abhekshade. The karanam, causative factor in samyoga, conjunction and vibhaga, disjunction, dravyamāsridam, is located in dravya. Kartavyasya kriya karmam, performance of the activity to done is karma. Karmana anyat abhekshada. Karma does not depend on any other factor. So षट् पदार्थास सामान्यं च विशेषं च गुणान् द्रव्याणि कर्मं च समवाय. सामान्यं is वृद्धि कारणम एकत्वकरम तुल्यार्थता विशेष ह्रास हेतु पृथक्त विपर्यय गुण समवाये तु निश्चेष्टः कारणं गुणः द्रव्य यत्र आश्रिता कर्म गुण कारणं समवायेत्. कर्म संयोगे च विभागे च कारणं द्रव्यमाश्रितं कर्तव्यस्य क्रिया कर्मं कर्मं न अन्यत् अपेक्षते. समवाय. Samavaya apratak bhavo bhumyadhinam gunaihi madaha sanityo yatra hi dravyam na tatra aniyado gunaha. Principles of equilibrium and disequilibrium. Objective of this compoundum is ityuktam karanam karyam dhatu samyam iha uchyade dhatu samya kriya cha ukta tandrasya asya prayojanam. Thus has been described the cause. Now the effect dhatu samya is discussed here. Because the objective of this compendium is achievement of Dhatu Samya, that is equilibrium of sustaining and nourishing factor, that is bodily constitution. So thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.